Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from economics that you can definitely expect for upcoming exam like SSC as well as railway exams. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, the father of economics is Adam Smith. The nature of Indian economics is mixed type. Mixed economy term was given by J.M. Keynes. In India, the financial year is from 1st of April to 31st of March. The first scientific attempt to measure the national income of India was made by Professor V.K.R.B. Rao in 1931. In 1949, the National Income Committee was set up under the chairmanship of P.C. Mahalanobis. GDP of a country is usually calculated by National Statistical Agency. In case of India, it is measured by Central Statistical Office, also called CSO, which was set up in 1950. The international standards for measuring GDP of a country is contained in System of National Accounts, also called SNA, and it was established in 1993. National Statistical Organization, also called NSO, was set up in 2005, and it was done for promoting statistical network in the country, and it was headed by Professor H.D. Tedurkar. NSSO, also called National Sample Survey Organization, was set up in the year 1950 for conducting large-scale sample survey of a country. HDR, also called Human Development Report, was started by Pakistanis economist Mahbub ul Hasan together with Amartya Sen. The term gross national happiness was given by Bhutan's king Jigme Singhe Wanchu. National Planning Committee was set up under the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1938, and the Planning Commission was set up in the year 1950. Niti Aayog came into existence from 1st of January 2015, which replaced the current Planning Commission of India. NDC, also called National Development Council, it gives final approval to a 5-year plan. The first 5-year plan was based on Harod Doma strategy, and the second 5-year plan was based on Nehru-Mahalanobis strategy. LPG, also called Liberalization, Privatization, Globalization strategy, was introduced by Manmohan Singh. Pura strategy, also called Providing Urban Amenities in Rural Areas, was introduced by APJ Abdul Kalam. During the 7th plan, the Indian economy finally crossed the Hindu rate of growth. Hindu rate of growth, it is a term which was given by Professor Raj Krishna. 8th plan is also called Rao Manmohan Singh model. Planning Commission, it is a authority which publishes poverty estimates of India on the basis of calorie intake. 2100 calories a day has been fixed for urban areas and 2400 calories a day has been fixed for rural areas. The census 2011 was the 15th national census of the country. UDAI means Unique Identification Authority of India. It is a 12-digit unique number. In India, a person working 8 hours a day for 273 days a year is regarded employed. Cyclical unemployment is also called Keynesian unemployment, and disguised unemployment is also called concealed unemployment. The new rupee symbol was designed by D. Udaya Kumar on 15th of July 2010. The first bank of limited liability managed by an Indian was Oudh National Bank and established in 1881. Nationalism of 14 commercial banks took place on 19th of July 1969, and 6 more banks were nationalized on 15th of August 1980. RBI was set up on the basis of Young-Hindle Commission in year 1935. The first governor of RBI was Sir Osborne Smith, and RBI was nationalized in 1949, and its first Indian governor is C.D. Deshmukh. CNS Nifty Index was developed by Ajay Shah and Sushant Thomas. The first budget of Republic of India was proposed by John Mathai in 1950. Green Revolution was launched in the year 1966 by Norman Borlaug, and in India it was made successful by M.S. Swaminathan, and the term Green Revolution was given by Dr. William Gate. Evergreen Revolution was started by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, and White Revolution was started by Dr. Verghese Kurien. RRB, also called Regional Rural Bank, was launched in the year 1975. And NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development was launched in the year 1982. Life Insurance Corporation was established in the year 1st of September 1956, and GIC means General Insurance Corporation was established in the year 1973. SEBI means Security and Exchange Board of India was established in 1988. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange was established in the year 1875. It is the oldest stock exchange of India. GST means Goods and Service Taxes was implemented from 1st of July 2017. IMF, also called International Monetary Fund, was constituted in the year 1945 and headquartered in Washington DC. World Bank was constituted in the year 1944 and it is headquartered in Washington DC. World Trade Organization is constituted in the year 1995 and headquartered in Geneva. And Asian Development Bank was established in year 1966 and headquartered in Manila, Philippines. So thank you for watching this video.